Today, we're going to learn how to draw the iconic Eiffel Tower step by step. Begin by drawing two large rectangular shapes. Then draw two horizontal lines. Then draw two vertical curved lines. Now draw a V shape. Now draw two more lines. Now draw multiple vertical lines towards upwards. For the top level, draw a small horizontal lines, then connect these lines from both sides. From the ends of this line, draw two curved lines that meet at the very top of the central line. This forms the top spire of the Eiffel Tower. Now that we have the basic structure, it's time to add details. Start by adding the crosshatch pattern on each level. Now draw multiple small horizontal lines in rectangular shapes. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn and colored Eiffel Tower. Draw horizontal and vertical lines within each section of the tower to create a grid-like appearance. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below or tag us on social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tutorials. See you next time.